Swoosh, just do it. 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 Swoosh, just do it.
Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Jovenel. Today's video, I'm going to be installing the new style taillights that I got from Tracy Fu. Everything's gonna be in the link down below if you guys want to purchase one of the taillights that they have. They have different varieties, and yeah, you guys are gonna see how I install it. And I want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers. I reached my mark, which was 150 plus extra, I believe 50 more. I'm almost at 200. It's gonna happen right now. What I need from you guys is to put a emoji right down on my comment, and I'm gonna pick everybody's name and basically shuffle it up. And then I don't know if I'm giving two items away. So as my channel grow, I'll be doing giveaways more often. My next mark right now is gonna be 500 or 1,000. I don't know yet. Only thing you have to do is put emoji down on my comment, and that's it. And that's how you'll get entered to the giveaway. Let me not hold any more of your time. Let me show you guys. The box is right outside, so it just came in. So I'm gonna open it up and see. Alright, so let me go in the back because we're doing some construction work and it's pretty loud. Got my Honda right there, Mercedes, and my ARC safe. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna unbox it. Alright, so here it is, the manual. We're taking it off. Look at that. That's pretty dope. There you guys have it. Pretty nice. Good clean. So as you can see, I got the dark smoke one. I don't think cops are gonna give me shit because it's a DOT certified. Let me go start ripping the trunk apart to put these bad boys in. So when you look at the manual, it's pretty straightforward. These are the tools that you're going to need. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take this back carpet off. I don't know what you call that, panel, whatever. So I took the back panel off. So now I'm going to disconnect the wires. Grab my 10mm. You just gotta take the bolts off to get to this piece right here. Okay, so I took all the bolts that were holding. You gotta push these tabs right over there. You gotta push all of them up and then take all the bolts off. Then just give this piece a wiggle and they should both come off. Next, I'm gonna be taking these off. So there you have it. Took it off. It. I miss having these tinted reverse lights. The main downfall of this tail light is that the top part doesn't have any lights in it like the Touring does. So that's the main reason why I bought these new tail lights. There it is, new one. Hopefully goes with the car, considering that it's black. So put everything back on. Now all I have to do is just screw everything in. Now that's clean. That's clean. That's what everybody wanted. If Honda did that right there, nobody would have purchased these taillights. I'm lying, I would probably still do it. But this is the main reason, right here, main reason why I hated the taillights. Boom, now look at that. Now that's fucking sick right there. That's dope, alright? Alright, so that's all done. All I have to do is just put that gray panel carpet piece back on and I'm good to go. They're both installed. Now we move on to the other taillight. What you gotta do is take this piece off, and then there's gonna be 2 bolts, I believe. That hurt. You guys have it? It's off. There it is. You guys can see the difference. Let me see if it turns on. Woo-wee. That's clean. There you have it. Ooh, that's so dope. That's dope as hell. Okay, now we're gonna check to see if the brake light works. Well, my camera died. I mean, it didn't die, but it's about to, and the camera SIM card is full, so here's how the brake lights look. And the reverse light. And I'm gonna switch it to my turning signals. Boom. There it is. I gotta work on the other side and then I'm pretty much done. Alright people, there you have it.
Tired, bitch, I'm on the come up and it's a whole lot of bands. I wanna run up, come out in the night, stay inside when the sun up. I got it out, shit with all my brothers. Guess it don't work the same for you others. Who raise these niggas, they moving like suckers. They hate when we gone, we show up, they love us. I can't lie, I'm getting sick of these rubbers. When the last time I fucked a bitch and I trust her? Talk down on the guard, you gon' suffer. Giving you all that you want a Chris Tucker. Can't trust a bitch, I'ma go and find another. Name rings I'm wearing, can't even pronounce. How am my ass smoking runs by the ounce? They don't make the music, they just want the clout. Can you tell me what the game is about? Same one showing love, used to doubt. Same one acting happy, used to pout. Don't step up to the plate, you might strike out. We rage at the show, we just let us psych out. They say I'm ungrateful and never impressed. Most people don't like me just the way that I dress. Relying on people, don't hold your breath. That's the type of shit leave you in a mess. Learn from mistakes and I've gotten way better. Gotta once be a dummy if you wanna be clever. You got a stylist, I put on whatever. And I say look way better. Be a hating ass nigga who me, I can never. When it comes to the boss, so ain't nobody better. Take the beat, I tear it up worse than a shredder. Real heartbreak kid, never wrote a love letter. Fuck fuck being tired, bitch, I'm on the come up and it's a whole lot of bands. I wanna run up, come out in the night, stay inside when the sun up. If I got it, I share it with all my brothers. I got it, I share it with all my brothers. If I got it, I share it with all my brothers. I got it, I share it with all my brothers. I got it, I share it with all my brothers. Fuck being tired, bitch, I wanna come up and it's a whole lot of bands. I wanna run up, come out in the night, stay inside when the sun up. I got it, I share it with all my brothers. If I got it, I share it with all my brothers. If I got it, I share it with all my brothers. I got it, I share it with all my brothers. If I got it, I share it with all my brothers. Take it to the head, not to the heart. Make sure you finish whatever you start. Keep your third eye open, always stay focused. It's so hard to tell real fake apart. Only here for a reason, if not I'm leaving. I see close friends with your man just like the season. Life is a pool and I jumped in the deep end. Scary ass niggas just dipping they feet in. I took the odds and I beat it. All my school tests, best believe I cheated. Teacher got me fucked up thinking I'm repeated. I'm the swoosh god, you go ask your deacon. Everyone know at this point in the secret. All the songs doing numbers, know you peeped it. Ain't sending songs, wait till I release it. Cause I see you people really love to leak shit. Fall back game, stronger than September. Waist been away hard than a fucking blender. The face look familiar, the name